Imagine a notebook that nobody owns, but everyone can read. Every time someone writes something inside it, everyone receives the exact same copy. And because thousands of people already have that copy, nobody can secretly change what's written. That simple idea is the foundation of blockchain. But how does it actually work? Let's decode it. A blockchain is simply a digital record book that stores information. But unlike a traditional database owned by one company or bank, blockchain is shared across thousands of computers around the world. Every time someone sends cryptocurrency, the transaction is broadcast to the entire network. Before it's accepted, the network checks whether the sender actually owns the cryptocurrency and has enough balance to send it. If the transaction is valid, it's approved. Multiple verified transactions are then grouped together into something called a block. You can think of a block as a page in a giant digital notebook. Each block stores transaction details, the time it was created, and a unique digital fingerprint called a hash. Here's where blockchain becomes powerful. Every new block also stores the hash of the previous block. That permanently links every block together, creating a chain of connected blocks. That's exactly why it's called a blockchain. Now imagine someone tries to change an old transaction. Even changing a single character completely changes that block's unique hash. The moment that happens, every block after it no longer matches the chain. Thousands of computers immediately detect the mismatch and reject the fake version. That's why blockchain is considered highly secure. Its security doesn't come from one powerful computer. It comes from thousands of computers constantly verifying one another. Because of this, blockchain removes the need to blindly trust a single authority. Instead, trust is created through cryptography, mathematics, and a decentralized network. And that's why blockchain can be used for much more than cryptocurrency. It can power digital payments, ownership records, smart contracts, supply chains, gaming, healthcare, and many other real-world applications. Now you know how blockchain actually works. In the next video, we'll answer another important question. Why was Bitcoin created, and why does it have value? Until then, keep learning, keep questioning, and let's decode the market together.